Role play and simulation. Before you decide on a simulation or role play method, you need to identify your learning objectives and audience characteristics. What skills, knowledge, attitudes do you want to develop or improve? Who are your learners and what are their backgrounds, preferences, and motivations? How will you measure their progress and performance? These questions will help you define the scope, level, and format of your simulation or role play. Simulation and role play are not the same thing, although they can overlap. Simulation is the realistic imitations of a real world situations or process, while role play is an interactive exercise where learners adopt different roles and perspectives. Depending on your learning objectives and audiences, you can choose from various types of simulations and role play. Computer-based simulation uses software or online platforms to create the virtual environments or scenarios that learners can interact with, which is suitable for technical, procedural, or analytical skills that require immediate feedback or repetition. Live simulation involves physical props, equipment, or settings that simulate a real-world context or challenge, which is suitable for practical, physical, or interpersonal skills that require hands-on experience or teamwork. Structured role play follows a predefined script scenario or set of rules that learners have to follow, which is suitable for communication, negotiations, or problem-solving skills that require specific outcomes or behaviors. Spontaneous role play allows learners to improvise and create their own scenarios and roles, which is suitable for creativity, empathy, or leadership skills that require flexibility and adaptation. Once you have chosen your simulations or role play type, it is essential to design engaging and relevant scenarios and feedback mechanisms for your learners. To ensure the success, make sure the scenarios align with learning objectives and audience needs. They should also be realistic, challenging, and meaningful. Provide the clear instructions, expectations, and criteria for the exercise, including the purpose, goals, roles, rules, and time limits. Balance the complexity and difficulty to avoid demotivating or frustrating learners. Incorporate the feedback from the facilitator, peers, self, or the simulation itself. It should be timely, specific, constructive, and actionable. Finally, debrief and reflect on the simulations or role play to share the experiences and learnings. Highlight the strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. So we can say that creativity techniques and tools provide the structured approaches and methodologies for simulating the creative thinking, generating new ideas, and solving the complex problems. By leveraging these techniques, individuals and teams can unlock their creative potential, foster innovations and development, and also they can develop the novel solutions to challenges in the various domains.